Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new person, I warmly welcome you. I say akwaba to you. And if you're an old person coming back, thank you very much for coming back. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and also share the video. Today we are making this one pot rice for the busy moms and dads out there. If you're a busy person like me, at times you just have to get everything in your pot and cook, and you will see the difference also. Okay, very delicious and tasty. So I have some rice here. Use any rice that you are comfortable with. This is olive oil that I'm using, and also this is some chicken that I'm using. You can either use chicken or meat for this one. Some curry powder and some basil leaves in there. I have some cubes and some lemon spices that I also have in there. Some bay leaves here that I'm going to add. I have some turmeric here, and also garlic. If you are not comfortable with garlic, leave it out. This is some Moroccan spices there. I have salt and also onions that I have chopped nicely here, or slice them. And this is the green chili that I'm using. These are not hot ones, so you can decide to use the hot ones if you are comfortable with that. So we're going to prepare our meat here. I'm just putting my meat inside the my bowl here, and I'm going to add some of the spices to it and just combine them and just leave them on my counter for about 10 minutes just for it to marinate. Okay, just for it to marinate, and just we can go on with our cooking. Okay. So we're now going to just cover it with our wrapper or anything that you have with you in your kitchen. You can cover it. Okay, so now I have my pan or my pot on the fire. So I'm just adding the marinated meat in there. I think my oil was too hot, or my pot was too hot for this, so you have to just let it down your heat down a little bit. So I'm adding the bay leaves. I've added the bay leaves, the onions, and the green chilies to it. Okay, so when you pour in your meat, you have to just let it fry a little for about 2 minutes, and you just add in all your spices and your veggies, or whatever veggies that you're going to use, just add it to it. Okay, this is one pot food. Okay, because you are not going to just allow it to maybe cook for some time, take them out, and no, this is one pot food. So you can see I just covered it and allowed it to just cook for about 5 minutes. And because we'll be adding the rice to it, you're not going to just make it be on fire, because you know this chicken that I'm using is very tender, so I don't want it to overcook before I add the raw rice. This rice I've already washed it, so you just have to add it together after maybe the meat have cooked for about 5 minutes, depending on the hardness of your meat. If you think that your meat is quite hard, then you can allow it to cook for some time. But if your meat is tender like this one that I'm using, just cook it for about 5 minutes for the flavor to just get inside your rice. Okay, so you can see I've added my rice, and I'm making sure that everything mixes well together. So whilst I'm mixing everything together, I just want to take that opportunity to thank you all. Okay, thank you all my subscribers and my well wishes. Thank you very much for always wishing me well, and all your messages. I thank you very much, and I'm so grateful to you. Or I say that continue sharing the video, and also give us a like. But if you are a new person and you have not subscribed or liked this video at this point, please do well to do me a favor or make okay, do us a favor and just give us a like. So I've just added some water to it. You can see that I did not add any salt again because of the spices that I added in them. So you have to check your salt. Okay, salt is to your taste. So I'm just going to allow it to simmer for about 20 minutes. Okay, for about 20 minutes, and you check it, and if you think your rice is not done enough, you just can add a little bit of water, because rice don't need too much water to cook. It just need the steam to cook. So add a little bit of water. So my rice is done actually. Okay, so this is how my rice came out, and this is very nice and delicious. So if you have any sauce, you can add it to it. If you have any sauce like some shito or any green sauce or any green chili sauce, you can just add it to it. But if not, you can serve this with some salad that you have just prepared. Add some salad to it or sauce to it, and you thank me later. Okay, you are welcome actually. Thank you very much for watching the video, and see you next time. Okay, I have so many recipes coming up. Thank you very much. I love you, and take care of yourself. Okay, I love you. Bye.